What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Today we are setting up our Bratz room because we're checking out, well, Bratz. I bought the Bratz Slumber Party Yasmin on Amazon for $29.99. They put a sticker on the box. In the description online, it says this is a fan fave re-release of the 2003 Slumber Party Yasmin. We have that classic Bratz box shape. The handle is fuzzy. At the top of the box, it says Slumber Party Collection. We can easily see the doll and all items included. On the back of the box, it says create over 15 mix and match fashion styles. There is a list of all items included as well as pictures of the other dolls in this collection. I do find a list of items included very helpful, so thanks for that. And I love that reproductions are a thing. I wasn't collecting Bratz in 2003, so it's nice to have an opportunity to check them out. So let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. And don't forget, there is a poster. Aww. I wish we got a mini poster. It would look so cute in our Bratz room. Here is Yasmin out of the box. Standing around 9.5 inches tall, I found it easy to balance this doll to stand. She comes with brown hair. It does have some product in it. The top has twist, secured with rubber bands. There are two pieces that hang down in the front. She has lavender eyes, lavender eyeshadow, kind of a lavender-ish lip color. The doll's ears are not pierced. She has a fuzzy eye mask, which is super fluffy, and it has a satin lining on the other side. The straps on the side of the eye mask are elastic. The doll is wearing a robe. Love the fabric. It's a little more plush on the lapels and on the cuffs. The robe has a belt and belt loops, pockets. Underneath, she comes with a white top with lace and it gathers at the chest. Blue pajama pants with an elastic waistband. There's a faux drawstring at the top. Little ribbon details at the bottom. And there's a cute little frog print. So yeah, I had to get this one. She also comes with a frog plushie and wears socks with house shoes that are flocked. Bratz feet tend to be removable. This doll can move at the head, shoulder, and hip, as well as turn at the ankle. There is some articulation at the knee. It's a bend and snap or click knee. And she is totally twinning with our Mini Bratz. With this doll, we get a second look that looks like a pair of undies with a top. There is also a star hairbrush. I think this is a fuzzy journal. Please let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. There is also a small butterfly pin, nail polish where the top is removable, a silver and purple curling iron, a toothbrush with painted white bristles, and toothpaste with a Bratz logo. Love the details. To make sure Yasmin has a bestie at the slumber party, I also picked up Sasha. Again, this doll was $29.99. There's an illustration of Sasha on the back. We get a Sasha poster, a Sasha doll with super soft hair. She has brown eyes, a peach lip color. I'm seeing pink and green eyeshadow, a fuzzy eye mask. It is slightly less fuzzy than Yasmin's, and it has an orange satin lining. The long buttery yellow robe is totally what drew me to this doll. The fabric looks to be the same all over, loving the texture. This robe comes with a belt with belt loops, a working pocket, a yellow undershirt. All the edges are hemmed. Long blue pajama pants with a duck and bubble print. There is an elastic waistband and a faux drawstring. She also wears socks with flocked fuzzy house shoes. We get a large yellow rabbit plushie, a yellow hair clip, star brush, fabric covered journal, a decorative pen, curling iron, peach nail polish, a toothbrush and toothpaste, and a second look. Here it is on the doll, and this doll has the same articulation. I understand that these are reproductions, but at $29.99, I would have liked to have seen more articulation. But that's just me. And, oh man, it looks like they skipped a stitch. Or several. In our Unicorn Academy video, we showed what a Bratz would look like on a Unicorn Academy body. And I'm happy to say that our little hybrid can fit some of their clothes. This is Yasmin's second look on the Unicorn Academy curvy body. Overall, I don't think the fit is too bad. The dolls are still about the same height, but now we get some articulation at the elbow, a joint at the knee, and I personally like the proportions a little better. However, we are limited on skin tones. Even this one is not a perfect match. But let's see if we can match this doll with Yasmin. Prepare the hot water. Warning, customizing your dolls can possibly ruin them forever. You've been warned. Place the doll in a bag, then into a cup of hot water to soften the head so we can remove it. Oh, come on, there we go. Then quickly place it onto the new body. I use a curling iron on low heat to touch up those curls. And they're holding up pretty good. I made the curls in the front a little thinner and pushed the rest to the back. Now let's change her clothes from this Monster High G3 Draculaura outfit into Bratz PJs. That still fit. However, she can't fit the house shoes, so let's find her a place to sit. Like the Bratz Funky Fashion Furniture Lip Couch. I got this on Amazon for $14.99. It says that it fits 2 Bratz dolls, but I think it will look great in a lot of doll spaces. It is finished all the way around and is flocked, so it's fuzzy. The seating is a little shallow, but it works fine for a Bratz doll. Here it is with our Bratz Unicorn Academy hybrid. It works, but we can also use it in a space for dolls like Barbie Dream Besties and even a classic Barbie. Here it is with a Barbie standing next to it so you can see the size. Even though it is a little shallow, I think we could totally use it for some dopamine decor. And it's totally perfect with our Mini Bratz collection. And yes, I finally found the lip couch from Mini Brand's home. Twins. Speaking of minis, I picked up Mini Bratz Babyz Series 1 at Target for $9.99, which I do think is a lot when you can get a couch for $14.99. The capsule is shaped a little different than other Mini Bratz, like Mini Bratz Series 4. I got these on Amazon. But here are the 2 capsules side by side. Let's open the Mini Bratz Babyz. Again, the capsules can be used as a display, but the top is slanted, so how is that supposed to work? Are we not supposed to stack them? Inside, we find 2 bags and a collector's guide with items on both sides. And our first one is a 2-pack of Phoebe and Roxy twins. Just like other Mini Bratz, we can take these out of the packaging and display them with our other minis. And our other mini is Bratz Babies Ponies. I am definitely a fan of Bratz minis, so I'm excited to take a look at Series 4. I bought these on Amazon for $9.99 each. We are still getting capsules that can be used as displays. They are stackable, and we can use them as a small side table in a doll room. There's a collector's guide showing beach party dolls, Wicked Twins, another styling head, Treasures dolls, Live in Concert, Formal Funk, a Vanity, yeah, it looks like a party bus, which I'm sure is under scale, Flashback, Fever, and Bratz Princess. Let's open them up. In our first bag, we have, is that a princess? Bratz Princess Fiona. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. We can open it up and take out the mini. The base is purple and we're getting lots of little tiny sculpted and painted details. The mini is finished all the way around and fits in nicely with the rest of our Mini Bratz collection. We're totally gonna need some more shelf space. And the next mini is Bratz Treasure Roxy. We have a little pirate theme here, which I love, and I like the way she's posed. She's not just standing there, she's taking a step forward. Check out those boots. But seriously, I love the way she's standing. Definitely a fun addition. Let's open another one. Do I think $9.99 is too much? Yes, I do. But I think I say that every single Mini Bratz video, which is why I just start out with a few and wait for them to go on sale. Because doubles are a thing, and when you're buying online, you can't use like codes and stuff or guides to try to guess what's inside. You get what you get. And here we got Bratz Treasure Chloe. This mini is standing forward and is finished all the way around. And in the second bag, we have Flashback Fever Yasmin, rocking some 80s fashion. She's wearing roller skates and one knee is bent slightly forward. Love that. And in our last capsule for today, I am hoping we find the Vanity, one of the beach party dolls, or another Bratz princess. And this is Flashback Fever Fiona. I feel like I am destroying her name, but this mini is super cute. Again, one knee is bent and she's looking to the side. Love the pose. And the last one is Bratz Treasures Jade, giving us another mini for our Mini Bratz collection that make great dolls for dolls. Thank you for joining us for an all Bratz day, even though that couch can totally be used with a lot of different dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!